Akuyu yama khofungote leshimag fulango leshisunduile. Yivutikwa he eats very small. Yinya tizali zalo. Ya yuyu zalo bamangwa. He eats very small. Yinya tizali zalo. Yinya yuyu zalo bamango. He is a poor man. Yinya shasati yungalo. He is a poor man. Yinya shasati yungalo. He is a wise man. Yinya Seni jupati yungalo. He is a wise man. Inye seni jupati yungalo. He is a deaf man. Inye nabuti yungalo. He is a deaf. Nganye he is a deaf man. Inye nabu. Latso nganye nabu pati yungalo. Bamangwa. He is my best friend. Inye ngakachuch ngalo. He is my best friend. Inye ngakachuch ngalo. He is speaking loudly. Inya kukusu shatudialo. He is speaking loudly. Inya kukusu shatudialo. He is here with me. Inya wabiti watialo. He is here with me. Inya wabiti watialo. He is busy. Inya lematualo. He is busy. Inya lematualo. He went to school. Inya juhikwa jiu. Bamangawongne. He went to school. Inya He has been ill since yesterday. He has been ill since yesterday. He got the same result as before. He got the same result as before. He is still live in that house. He is still live in that house. Help me. Help me. He is a writer. He is a writer. He is handsome. He is handsome. He is sick. He is sick. He is lying. He is lying. He has completed his homework. He has completed his homework. He is suffering from sick. He is suffering from sick. He should become a teacher. He should become a teacher. He should wait for his father. He should wait for his father. He is so angry. He is so angry. He came here. He came here. How can is this possible? How can is this possible? He is a soldier. He is a soldier. He is my father. He is teaching us. He is teaching us. He can drive car. He can drive car. He can ride gube. He should come now. He should come now. He is angry with you. He is angry with you. He should come. He came first. See you next video.